Hey there! So I am preserving garlic today and I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't tried this before, um, but I'm going to try it now. So all we're going to do is break some garlic apart, and I'm also going to leave some complete heads of garlic. So I'm going to put those down in my clean jar and just simply peel the garlic, but leave the skins on. So we're just going to kind of separate the cloves, or you could leave all of the heads intact. It's up to you. But I was gifted a large amount of garlic, so I thought, what better time to try and see if we can preserve it and see what it tastes like. It's supposed to mellow the flavor, and you can spread it on sandwiches. You can put it in smoothies without it burning your head off. You can add it to salad dressings. So I'm pretty excited about testing it out. So I have all of my garlic in the jar that I'm going to place in the jar. And we're just simply going to use apple cider vinegar. Remember, you want one with the mother in it. You want to make sure that it's unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. And we're just going to pour this over the garlic. If you have some sort of weight, you could apply that now so that all of the garlic stays below the surface, but I don't, so we're going to work with it. Okay, so we're just going to take a piece of parchment so that the metal doesn't come in contact with the apple cider vinegar. And we're just going to twist that lid down. I'm going to write the date on here, and in 1 year, oh, I know I have to wait that long. In 1 year, we're going to come back to this and we are going to have some fermented garlic that's going to be delicious. Enjoy.